Hi guys, Raz here. Today we'll be looking at profit. Show me the money. So I've got two questions here. One's profit, one's loss. Let's look at Emma first. Emma bought a house for 201,500 and she sold it for that amount. Yeah. So we need to divide the difference by the original amount. And that will give us the profit times that by 100. It's very simple to percentage increase that you've seen one of my other videos on. Well, it's pretty much the same, to tell the truth. So what we've got here is, why is it not clear on the screen? All right, there you go. Fraction. 213,590 minus 201,500 divided by the original. And that gives us the profit. I haven't times it by 100. Times that by 100 and we'll get 6%. But she made 6% on her house sale, which is, with those numbers, is a fair amount. Fair play to her. Now, Mel, what have you done? Mel, on the other hand, has sold the house for less. So this time, she has bought it for more than she sold it. So we find the difference between the two numbers, and we always divide by the original amount. Yeah, times that by 100. And we'll get the loss, not the profit. So we have 352,000 minus 325,600 equals that. So she's lost 26,400. We divide that by the original 352,000 and times that by 100, and we have 7.5%. So that was a 7.5% loss. Now, I could have typed it in the other way around, as in she sold it first, the sold it price first. So she sold it for 325,600 and she bought it for 352,000, which would show a negative amount. We always divide by the original. So we'll get the same answer, but just with a negative sign. So what you can see here is that negative just indicates a loss of 7.5%. So either way, we get the same answer. Yeah, so to sum it up, profit equals the outgoing cost, so I suppose the sold price, minus the bought price divided by the original price, which would have been the bought price, yeah? Times by 100. And if you do that, you will find the profit or the loss of something. Hope you enjoy the video. See you again soon.